Man, that was way too fast, man. That was way too fast. You drove like an idiot. You don't drive 80 miles an hour down the road. Fucking asshole. You don't think he was driving like an idiot? You don't either, do you? He was driving at like 80 miles an hour. The whole bus was sliding. No one says anything. Number of the bus is 29-112. I'm on a bus. There's slush and ice and snow all over the ground just after the big snowstorm. And this bus driver is going really fast. He's doing like 50, 60 in a 40 zone. He's bolting it. He went around the corner and the whole fucking bus was sliding around the corner. But like he can feel the gravity or the physics, you know, like there's a thing called physics that when an object is in motion, it will continue to go in that same motion, especially if there's oil or ice on the ground. And I think I'm going to tell the bus driver because he's driving like a fucking idiot, man. He's going like fucking 80 miles an hour on the fucking ice and the whole bus is sliding. No one says anything or does anything. Like, how fucking stupid are people? I'm not joking. This guy's like driving the bus like a bat out of fucking hell. Like super fucking fast. Let's just film the fucking guy. So we have evidence and proof of his fucking crash. Sorry for swearing, but I'm pissed off people just doing whatever the fuck they want. Wednesday, the 27th of December at 5:44 p.m. and the bus number is 29-11-12, and people are looking at me like I'm a fucking weirdo. Why? Because I'm filming some guy driving fucking 100 miles an hour through the snow? And I'm the asshole? This is the kind of world we live in now. No one ever fucking says or does anything. These are tiny streets. And it just gone down to like -4. And every time it goes around a fucking corner, the whole bus slides. I can feel it. The bus is 29-12. Now this is a 20 zone. Because the roads are small. 30, sorry, holy shit. See, look, there's this big 41. So if there's anybody watching the video, please leave a comment. If anyone's ever been on a city bus where the bus driver is a fucking maniac. It's okay now because I'm filming him and he's slowing down. See, look, the whole bus is sliding. The whole fucking bus is sliding. We're like on a 45-degree angle right now. It's called physics. I'm sure he's a great bus driver and he knows what he's doing, but that's just fucking stupid, man. Sometimes there's kids on the street. Fucking idiot. All his bus driver friends are here, so it's me against the whole fucking STM. I'll wait till we make a full stop before I look at this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Man, that was way too fast, man. That was way too fast. You drove like an idiot. You don't drive 80 miles an hour down the road. Fucking asshole. The whole bus was sliding. No one says anything.